let's take a look at this problem over here, because it has pretty much all the property exponents involved in it. So let's go ahead and start with this guy. This is a z squared, right? And so I'm going to rewrite everything on the top line. So no variables in the denominator. So the first thing I'm going to do is make this z to the negative 2 so it's up on top. Now, in order to break this piece up, I need to apply this sign to all of these pieces in here. And remember, that's a 1, so I can multiply that. And I'm going to put this negative sign in here because it's being squared. This is going to end up being positive, but let's make sure that we are clear about that. Then x to the negative 6th, y to the negative 4th, and z to the negative squared. Okay, so now I've applied that power to all those different bases. So now let's group all the similar stuff. So I've got negative 3 to the negative 2. It's my only number. X to the negative 6, x to the negative 3, y to the negative 4, and z to the negative 2, z to the negative 2. Okay? So now let's deal with this. I'm going to move this to the other side of the fraction bar, right? Because this is equivalent to 1 over negative 3 squared, and we know that negative 3 squared is positive 9. So I'm going to move that down to the bottom there. Then if I add these exponents, I'm going to get x to the negative 9 and y to the negative 4th and z to the negative 4th. Okay? But then I don't want to have any negative exponents, so I'm going to move those all to the other side of the fraction bar and get 9, x to the 9th, y to the 4th, z to the 4th. And then that's going to be my final answer.